Managing Quotes in HubSpot. Welcome to today's video on managing quotes in HubSpot. In this video, we'll be covering the ins and outs of quotes in HubSpot, including how to create, manage, and track them. Whether you're a sales professional or a marketing expert, understanding quotes is crucial for streamlining your sales process and improving customer relationships. To get started, let's take a look at the quote management page in HubSpot. From here, you can view all of your active quotes, as well as those that are pending or closed. You can also filter your quotes by status, stage, and more. When creating a new quote, you can choose from a variety of templates and customize the fields to fit your specific needs. You can also add attachments, such as contracts or invoices, and track the progress of the quote through its various stages. One of the most powerful features of quote management in HubSpot is the ability to assign tasks and track progress. This allows you to stay on top of your sales pipeline and ensure that every lead is properly followed up on. In addition to these features, HubSpot also provides a range of reporting and analytics tools to help you track your quote performance. This includes metrics such as conversion rates, average deal size, and more. By mastering the art of quote management in HubSpot, you can take your sales process to the next level and drive more revenue for your business. So, if you're looking to streamline your sales process and improve your customer relationships, be sure to check out the quote management features in HubSpot. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more video tutorials and tips on using HubSpot and other sales and marketing tools.